Hey everyone, so it's another lick. This one is a Brian May inspired guitar lick, using kind of like a descending run, which Mr. May would use quite regularly, I would imagine. And it's just pentatonic and blues once again, so it works really well if you already know the first shape of that scale. If you don't, skip it, maybe look at last week's one, which was an epic 5-lick emotional slow blues extravaganza. But if you do want to carry on, then obviously carry on. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and hit that bell button for the future notification. Give it a thumbs up because the algorithms love it, and maybe drop a comment below as well. That is it. Let's get on with the lick. It's a fairly straightforward lick, but what makes this type of lick work initially, because you're holding on notes, is flavouring it up with vibrato. So if you don't add that wonderful vibrato onto a static note, it's kind of got no life into it. That's the way I feel about it anyway. So add that salt and pepper, get some nice sort of smooth, sometimes wide vibrato into your playing, and it will flavour it up. On the 15th fret 2nd string on this one, you've got vibrato on the bend as well. So if you're not good at bending a note and adding vibrato and maintaining the pitch through that vibrato, how many times can I say vibrato? Quite a lot, it seems. You will just sort of get that ghostly sound. So you need to build up strength and stamina to try and keep that pitch at the top of that bend as you apply that vibrato. Anyway, so that's it. If you want to subscribe to the channel, please do so. There's no backing track for this one, and it's just a very quick lick because last week's was that epic lick linked up there, 5-lick journey, slow blues. And that's it really for this one. So the breakdown is coming up just in a second. Please visit the website for the free tab, Patreon for loads of lessons, around about 88 lessons and 48 jamming tracks for you on there. And yeah, that's it. I'll leave you with that lick breakdown coming up now. Starts you off with that 12th fret on that 3rd string, the G string, which is using the major 3rd of the starting chord, which is a B minor. So twice on that, adding vibrato straight after. Straight to the 2nd string, same fret, same thing, 2 strikes with vibrato. Then 15th fret, same thing, same string as well. 12th fret 1st string. Now that's the catch with the 1st string, is to try and stop that B string sort of clunking as you come away from it. So the thing you should try and do is rest on that B string as you're putting vibrato onto that 1st string. There you are, little tip. Then it's 15th fret 2nd string, full tone bend twice, 2nd time add in vibrato, like that if you can. And then it's 15th fret on its own with vibrato once again. So that's the first kind of 4 bars out the way. Then you've got your descending run through the blues scale, which is kind of a typical Brian May descending run. Anyway, so what we've got with this is 1st string, 12th fret, hammer on, pull off from the 15 or to the 15 and back from the 15. To the 15 on that 2nd string. Then the next 4 notes, you're doing a similar sort of thing where you've got 12 on the 1st string, 15 on the 2nd, pulling off to 12 on the 2nd this time, and then it's 15 on that 3rd string. So this is bringing in that B flat for the E blues scale. Okay, then we've got 12 on the 2nd string, running through the blues scale of 15, 14, 12, pull off if you like, I do, on that 3rd string, back to the 14, same string, pull off to 12, to the 14 on the D, going to the 14 on the G, same finger if you can, makes it easier, and then 12 on the same string, not same string, on the 3rd string. That's the lick for you there. So hopefully you enjoyed this one, but it's back to me to finish the video off. We are at the end. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the bell button, and drop a comment with a thumbs up. Algorithms, YouTube love it, push it forward, and I can do more for you for free. If you want to pay for some stuff that I do, visit that Patreon link down there on that description, and it probably pops up there as well, you'll find loads of lessons on there as well, and the chance to have in-person, or not in-person, well, it could be in-person, but online lessons with me for 45 minutes a month, as well as all the other stuff. So that is it for this week. I'll see you next week for another Lick Friday. Nice one, everyone. Ta-ta.